Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make Brave as your default browser. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up your Brave browser. Now go to the top right, click on three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and click on Settings. Okay, now in here in the left panel, click on Get Started and click on Brave Make Default. Okay, I'm not going to be able to do it because mine is already set as the default browser. That's basically it. You could also change it from your Windows settings. Go ahead over to search bar and type down default apps. Okay, right here. Click on it. Now here we have Brave. Just click on Brave. And it says here, make Brave your default browser. Well, just click on set default and you're good to go. That is it. That is how you make Brave your default browser. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.